Literally gonna eat corn right out of my hand. Hi guys, here. Come on, let's go over here. You guys are bad. You're too friendly, you know it? Don't hit me in the head now. Oh look, the buck even showed up here. He still got those things hanging on the side of his head. The velvet's coming off. Hold still now. There, see him? That stuff on his head. Yeah, they're excited this morning. It's kind of cool out here, and they know winter's coming. They're fixing to get ready for it. Okay. There's another one coming up here too. Okay. Like a whole bunch here this morning. 6, I think, 5 or 6. Here comes another one.